Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.26 trillion. We're down 5.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.2%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a red across the board, and that is due to the fact that Bitcoin is on a shaky side right now. So obviously, if Bitcoin goes down, majority of the markets go down with it. But today I want to talk about none other than Vechain. Alright guys, if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, Vechain is currently trading at 17.6 cents. It's down 5.4% in the last 24 hours. In USD comparative, it's down 0.2% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 16 spot. Market cap right now is $11.3 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $1.6 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in the last year alone, Vechain is up 3,700%. And, we are seeing in the last 7 days a mild correction occur, but that is to be expected as the entire market is in the downwards trend due to Bitcoin. But I believe this is still the month where we will recover and hit newer all-time highs. So let's deep dive into the charts to see where exactly we're heading in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, guys, Vechain is sitting at 17.4 cents right now. And it is heading towards the downwards trend. We're in a downwards trajectory right now. But guys, it's not only happening with Vechain, it's happening with every single project in the crypto space, majority of it because Bitcoin is unstable right now. If we go on Bitcoin's chart right now, let's get a better understanding as to what's going on with Bitcoin. As you guys can see, we wicked all the way down to this near support level for Bitcoin. It held here like 3 times. You guys see the first flash crash, we just went below it, but back we went up. 2 times we tried to break it down, but we were supported by it. We went again 3rd time and we got supported by it. So Bitcoin is in a shaky zone right now. If it were to go down, this is the next support level for Bitcoin at the $43,000 level. And if that happened, guys, the entire market is gonna see further downwards movement because Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire markets, and Bitcoin controls the market. So if that happened, Vechain can definitely be going, in the downwards trend as well, but for immediate short term. Everything is still looking very bullish if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys. I've been seeing so many comments coming in, why is Vechain not pumping this and that? Guys, patience is key, and these kind of moves in crypto, I have been saying this over and over again, are very, very normal. I always say if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, I'm sorry, patience will be your number one key to follow. Look at Cardano, for instance. Cardano had been I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on. So you guys can look at Cardano, for instance. Cardano was in an accumulation zone for such a long time, and a lot of people lost their patience and they were like, I'm not going to be staying in Cardano anymore. I lost my patience. I'm going to look at some other projects. And now look at Cardano. It's breaking newer all-time highs after newer all-time highs. So this goes to show there might be a time that comes where we do see some downwards trend, some bearish action play out, and it may seem boring, but patience is key. If you believe in the project, you guys know what Vechain's doing. Vechain has a real working product, a real use case, bringing mass adoption to the crypto space, has a lot of hype building up around the space. A lot of people know what Vechain really is, and you guys gotta, if you guys, factor all these things in, Vechain is a strong project, and you guys know my stance on it. And these kind of small retracements do not affect me whatsoever. Me personally, if I have fiat that I can afford to lose, I reinvest into cheaper prices. and these corrections occur in crypto over and over again, and you should not let this get to you. But I do understand a lot of new money is coming into the space, and this could be a panic mode for a lot of people. I totally understand that, but this is why you should always invest what you can afford to lose, and you should not always be looking at crypto charts 24/7. But I know that is difficult not to do. But bringing out the Fibonacci retracement tool, guys, let's see a better picture to see where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see, we are right below that 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Strong level of support for Vechain, but we're below that right now. And as I mentioned earlier, if a Bitcoin were to have a drop to $43,000, which is very possible for it to happen, if that happened, the entire market is gonna go down with Bitcoin. So we could be supported back to, we could go head back to this level of this 15 cents range, 15.5 cents, and this is a strong level of support. I personally believe we will go here and bounce back up. That would be bullish in my opinion, the bullish scenario. And as long as Bitcoin were to stabilize and find a place for it to trade sideways for a while, I believe the markets are going to start recovering very, very fast. Guys, let's zoom out. If we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, Vechain has come up super, far, has come long way, and so has the entire market. The entire crypto market is sitting at $2.3 billion market cap, despite the fact that we are seeing this shake off. And these shake offs are very normal. I always say this. Overall, the market sentiment is still very bullish. Obviously, these corrections do cause some bearish action to occur, but the overall momentum is very strong, and I would not be surprised in the next coming days if Bitcoin were to stabilize and find this place as its next level of next bottom in a way, and trade sideways. Then we are about to see all the altcoins recover very, very fast, and Vechain is one of them. What I would like Vechain to do is, for me personally, I would obviously like for it to hold within this Fibonacci retracement zone of that 0.50, just trade sideways, and then get back into this 20 cents range as I have mentioned, and then so on. But this is what I would like for it to play out, but this is the bearish scenario. This is the bearish scenario for us to go back down to this level at the 15.3 cents range if Bitcoin decides to drop. But as of now, we are bouncing back up. Let's hope for Bitcoin to get back into this range, guys, around this range. This would be bullish. This is what I would like for Bitcoin to do, and I believe altcoins will recover even faster. But everything is looking very well, guys. If you're in it for the long haul, you guys know what to do. And Vechain is a great project, and do not let these small swings get to you. But I know it can be very scary, especially if you have too much that you cannot afford to lose. I always say that if you have too much that you cannot afford to lose, always scale out and have some sort of exit strategy in place so you can lock in profits. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. But let me know in the comment section below where you could see Vechain go at the end of at the end of this at the end of May. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and I think that's it for today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of your guys' support. You guys know who you are. Like, continuous support. Thank you so much. And I do this all for you guys, literally all for you guys, and you guys mean the world to me. And keep supporting me. Road to 20,000 subscribers, and stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And also check out my merch line that I launched. Link in the description box below if you're a supporter on my channel and you would like to purchase some hoodies and t-shirts. Link in the description box below. Your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.